along for those of you watching online on page number 5, and we are moving from metallurgy, which is a very dramatic form of science and a form of chemistry, to apothecaries. Now, what did we say that apothecaries were, Miss Audi?
An important part of Egyptian culture.
They were an important part of the culture. Keep reading.
These early pharmacists prepared and sold a wide variety of chemicals and herbs.
Very good. So apothecaries sold chemicals and herbs. But what does that even mean? It's like when you go play Zelda or something, right? And you have to visit the apothecary shop so that they can give you a potion to get well, right? What were apothecaries? What would we call them now? Yeah, pharmacists, doctors, right? People that understood. If I grab this dandelion root and I mix it with this honey, it somehow calms my stomach. I don't know why, but if I mix it just right, it calms my stomach. And that took a lifetime to pursue. Why? They didn't have microscopes, didn't have telescopes, didn't have DNA tests or any of the other equipment that we have today. So you had to kind of guess. You had to say, well, Audi's a little bit taller than Sabrina, so she should have maybe 2 ounces more of this thing. And they would grind it down and they would make medicine. Now, a lot of people ask me, Mr. Mian, what is chemistry good for in real life? Without chemistry, you wouldn't have any of the medications. If any of you take medications or have taken medications at any point, the virus that we're looking at, the cure, the vaccine that we're looking at, all comes from chemistry. Right now, there's 1,000 different chemists, 1 billion different chemists probably, well, not that many, 1 million different chemists is more likely, looking at a cure for the coronavirus, seeing what kind of medication can break it, and all of that comes from the study of how chemicals react. And back then, apothecaries, that's what they did. Their methods didn't always work, but sometimes they did. So this, on chapter 5, is what I want everybody to be reading, okay, because we're going to be asked questions about it later. Okay, let me go ahead and finish this up. Surprisingly, each of these substances were effective medicines. A quick search through an apothecary stockroom would reveal such prescriptions as copper salts, used as an antiseptic, and magnesium, used as a laxative, opium, used as a sedative, and various herbs used to treat diseases.